Good morning slash afternoon. It is Friday, November 23rd. My name is Stock Darts, and today we're going to have a quick video on how we go ahead and close out or adjust our Amazon play from earlier in the week. We had taken a calendar spread on Monday, looking at, or actually I think it was Monday or Tuesday, trying to hold Amazon around the 1525 area. The idea was to take advantage of the volatility that had come in on the gap down, around the move down, and to hopefully take advantage of some call premium that would dissipate, as well as hold on to some call premium for next week in anticipation of a possible bounce into and through Thanksgiving. Now, the possible bounce into Thanksgiving did not really occur. We also had a pretty ugly day on Tuesday where we got down, but we were able to run up pretty much immediately into the morning, and the spread was never down enough for me to really want to stop it out. I would have stopped out if it was any uglier than it was, but we got lucky, and like I said, it pretty much ran up immediately that day. And where we are today is almost exactly where we wanted to be, which is just below the at-the-money spread that we put in. And here's a look. You guys remember, this was basically the idea. Sell the 1525, 1530, 1540, somewhere in the area around at the money or just out of the money on the spread, on the call spread. And so we did this week's calls, and we bought next week's calls. And as you can see right now, that spread's up. We're right around 15.15. So the spread's up about 11, 12, 1300 bucks, depending on your entries and where exactly it stands. So now the idea is, what do you want to do with this play, right? And there are two choices. If you just want to take your profits, you just close out both sides of the trade. You could wait till just about market close and let these expire to completely worthless. I'm going to probably wait a little bit longer and try to get as much value as I can out of them. As you can see right now, there's still about $1 left in them, while these are still trading pretty good. They still got $33 left in them, right? And so what you can do is just wait till the very end and let this expire as close to worthless as you can, and then you get to keep as much of the call side as you want. Now, for those that are a little bit more adventurous and want to turn this into a bullish play, well, for one, you could just hold on to the call next week and hope that Amazon moves up, and in that case that call will continue to appreciate until the end of next week. If you are not adventurous at all and you'd rather just take your profit, then just close both sides. Just close it now, close it in the next hour, and you'll be happy. If you want to take advantage of some bullish action, but you want to be a little bit more careful about it, well, then you could do what I'm going to do, which is basically sell a call just above 1525. So we're looking at 1527.50, and the mid here probably pick up another 20 cents, so maybe about 32. You can get maybe about 32 on here, right? And that pretty much turns it into a free play, because you're adding another 3,000 credit to protect the 3,300 or so you have in place. So when you add that to the profit we've already made on the play, we have a free play looking for upside. Now, this is what it'll look like next week. Right now, of course, it's going to look a little bit different when we factor in that we have another 1,000 credit in here. But the idea now is that anything above 1525 will be profitable. Anything above 1527.50 will be max profit, and then if we fall below 1525, then we're going to lose whatever money we had left invested in this. But because we sold a call, we're actually still above break even based off of the money we made last week. The numbers, of course, are going to be differ from trader to trader depending on what fills you got on each of these spreads. But in general, this will be a pretty good play for us, even if we close below 1525 by next week. So that's the idea. I just wanted to give this quick video updating how you would go ahead and manage a position like this, and what your options are as far as how to close it out or how to extend it into next week. Have a good rest of this week, and hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving, and we will see each other again in the next video.